Hey everyone, it's Marty Harger. I hope you had a wonderful holiday weekend and that you're getting ready for the month of December and all that that brings. Where I live, that means ski season is coming up, and I'm really excited about that. But the reason I want to talk to you today is I just got back from an incredible travel experience with an amazing group of women in India. It was my Northern India spiritual exploration, and if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you've probably seen some of the photographs that we've taken. We had such fascinating experiences diving into the culture, the history, some of the temples, the spirituality, and really getting a chance for each of us to explore our own personal transformation. Now, the programs that I put together through my Essential Earth Explorations company are designed to give you not just a travel experience that you can check off your list. By no means is that the focus. The focus is that with my partners at Learning Journeys, I want to make sure you come away just feeling absolutely delighted with the travel experience that you've had, that you've gotten a chance to meet people from that country and talk with them, get to see how they live, dive into the details of the history that have made that country such a wonderful place, get to understand how people believe, have their faith, understand more about all the things that make that country tick. And what I love is that by traveling in a small group, we get the opportunity to get to know each other and make new friends along the journey. So what's coming up next is my Wonders of Greece trip. And Jim and I are traveling on this together. So we're really excited to be co-hosting this program, which is April 27th through May 6th. Now, the Wonders of Greece is an incredible trip. If you've ever been to Greece or you've thought about it, I'm telling you, I want you to take a good look at the itinerary and the program that we put together. This all-inclusive of meals, of ground transportation. We have local guides that'll be touring us through all of the highlights and taking us into some really interesting surprises and some interesting new experiences for everyone. We'll have an opportunity to visit the stunning beaches and the scenery that is Greece, not only by launching in Athens, where we'll study some of the history, the mystical aspects, the heroes, the gods and goddesses that were part of all of our education through the years of learning more about mythology, but we'll also then move on to Nafplio, where we're going to explore orange essential oil groves in production. We're going to get a chance to see what they believe is the original amphitheater that was built in that part of Greece. And then we'll come back and we'll fly to Santorini. Santorini is the one that's pictured here. It's a classic place to visit in Greece, an opportunity to be at a beautiful property where we're going to explore the beaches and all of the different formations, the geologic formations that have made the Greek islands so fascinating. We'll then take a high-speed ferry to Crete, the island of Crete, which is one of the largest islands in Greece, and it's really fascinating the history there that we'll also explore. Now, what I love about the program is that we paced this so you get time to relax. You also you're gonna have busy mornings and relaxing afternoons, lovely evenings to just explore the delicious foods of Greece. We'll be touring things like special wineries, olive oil production, essential oil production. We're even going to learn about ouzo from one of the longest standing factories and production operations in Greece. Some of the things we'll also explore are some of the crafts and the interesting traditions, dancing, and some of the other fun things that make Greece so unique. If you've been interested in traveling to Greece and you'd love to go with a fun-loving group, we already have half the trip filled. So we'd love to have those last few spots filled with some fantastic travelers who want to explore this aspect of European travel that's often thought about but not always visited. So if you want to go with a great group, have a fantastic learning experience, I hope you'll take a look at the link in this post or get a hold of me and let me give you more detail about the incredible value that we put together for a fabulous Wonders of Greece trip coming up this spring. Thanks so much, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I look forward to talking to you more about travel adventures in the future. Take care. Bye.